Hello, I'm with the non-governmental organization Kids in Need of Defense, KIND, and this video is part of a series of videos about the CAM program, designed for parents or legal guardians in the United States who are starting applications for their children. CAM, or the Central American Minors Program, provides qualifying parents and legal guardians in the United States who are in certain immigration categories an opportunity to apply for their qualifying children to reunify with them in the United States. Through CAM, parents and legal guardians can apply for qualifying children and certain family members in Guatemala, El Salvador, and Honduras to travel to the United States with refugee status. Those who are not granted refugee status may be able to apply for parole. These videos will help you learn more about the CAM process.
What is CAM? CAM stands for the Central American Minors Program. The CAM program was originally established in 2014 to provide children in El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras the possibility to safely join their parents or legal guardian in the United States. Parents or legal guardians in the United States who are in certain immigration categories must start the process by applying on behalf of their children. Children and other eligible family members who qualify for CAM will then be considered to enter the United States with refugee status. Those who are not granted refugee status may apply for parole. The CAM program provides a safe and regular pathway to children in El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras to reunify with their parents or legal guardians in the United States. In 2018, the Trump administration ended the CAM program. In 2021, the Biden administration restarted the CAM program in 2 phases. In phase 1, applications that were pending when the program was ended in 2018 can potentially be reopened if the parent and applicants are still eligible. If qualifying children are now over 21 years old and or married, they could still qualify for phase 1. If you apply for CAM during this time, you can call the CAM hotline at 917-410-7546 or visit www.menorescam.com. Phase 1 began in March 2021. Phase 2 began in September 2021 and is now open for new CAM applications. Phase 2 expanded the eligibility for CAM, and now certain parents and legal guardians who are pending asylum or U visa in the United States can also apply. KIND is now assisting parents and legal guardians to file CAM applications under Phase 2. If you think you may be eligible and are interested in filing a new CAM application, please see our video in this series, How to Apply and Who to Contact. Who is eligible for CAM? To apply for CAM, you must be either a qualifying parent or legal guardian in the United States, with a qualifying child who is in El Salvador, Guatemala, or Honduras. Only biological step adoptive parents or legal guardians can apply for their children under CAM. The CAM process uses DNA testing to confirm biological relationships. Step parents and legal guardians must provide legal documentation confirming their relationships. If you are a step parent or legal guardian and have questions about how to confirm your relationship with your child, please contact KIND. Who is a qualifying parent or legal guardian? At the time your CAM application is filed, you must meet all of the following criteria. Be at least 18 years old, be physically located in the United States, and be in one of the following categories: lawful permanent residence, temporary protected status, parole for a minimum of 1 year, deferred action for childhood arrivals or DACA, deferred action non-DACA, also for a minimum of 1 year, deferred enforced departure or DED, withholding of removal, with a pending asylum application filed before May 15, 2021, or with a pending U visa petition filed before May 15, 2021. Understanding these immigration categories can be complicated. To find out if you may qualify, please make a referral to KIND. KIND will screen your case and help you to start the CAM application process if you are eligible. Who is a qualifying child? At the time your CAM application is filed, your child must meet all of the following criteria. be unmarried, under the age of 21, physically located in El Salvador, Guatemala, or Honduras, be a national of El Salvador, Guatemala, or Honduras. You can also apply for certain other family members along with your child. For more information, please see our video in the series, Who Are Other Qualified Family Members? In addition to meeting the above requirements, you must provide documentation to prove your immigration status, your family relationships, and other information required for the application. For more information about what you will need to apply, please see our video in the series, the CAM Application AOR, and our CAM Application Checklist. If you would like to be screened for CAM eligibility, if you are not sure if you may qualify, or if you have other questions, please contact KIND. CAM applications can only be submitted to the U.S. government by a designated resettlement agency in the United States, and there is no filing fee for the application. KIND is now working directly with the resettlement agencies to prepare CAM applications. You should also remember that being eligible to apply for CAM or having your CAM application accepted by the U.S. government does not guarantee that your child or other family members will be granted authorization to travel to the U.S. under the program. The application is only the first of many steps to the CAM process. For more information, please see our video in this series, Overview of the CAM Process.
There is no cost to submit a CAM application, and you do not need to hire or pay anyone to help you apply for your child to travel to the U.S. under the CAM program. If someone asks you for money to help with your CAM application, do not pay them or give them your information. Instead, please contact the CAM hotline.